How to create landing pages in HubSpot. Welcome to this tutorial on creating effective landing pages in HubSpot. In today's digital landscape, having a well-designed landing page is crucial for converting visitors into leads and driving sales. HubSpot offers a range of tools and features to help you create stunning landing pages that resonate with your audience. Let's dive in and explore the process of creating a landing page in HubSpot. To get started, navigate to the HubSpot dashboard and click on the Marketing tab. From there, select Landing Pages from the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of all your existing landing pages, and you can create a new one by clicking the Create button. When creating a new landing page, you'll be prompted to choose a template. HubSpot offers a range of pre-designed templates that cater to different industries and use cases. Select a template that aligns with your brand and message, and then customize it to fit your needs. Next, you'll need to add content to your landing page. This can include text, images, videos, and more. Use the drag and drop editor to add elements to your page, and make sure to optimize your content for conversions. Use clear and concise language, and make sure your call to action, CTA, is prominent and visible. One of the key features of HubSpot landing pages is the ability to track and analyze performance. Use the analytics tool to see how visitors are interacting with your page and make data-driven decisions to improve your results. To take your landing page to the next level, consider adding a form or a survey to capture leads and gather feedback. You can also use HubSpot's integration with other tools and services to expand your reach and improve your marketing efforts. By following these steps and tips, you can create a landing page in HubSpot that drives real results for your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more marketing tips.